The Court of Appeal has declared the manner in which the contractor for the standard gauge railway was picked was illegal. The court says the procurement process for the multi-billion shillings project was in breach of the constitutional provisions and relevant statutes. But as Ken Mijungu reports, this ruling might have little consequence, if at all, since the project is now complete.
6 years on, and the train has been doing rounds on the standard gauge railway line. In 2014, activists Okia Mtata and Wycliffe Gisebe-Nyakina attempted to stop its construction, arguing that it was procured and procedurally. At the High Court, then presided over by Justice Isaac Lenaola, the case fell flat. The judge had ordered documents tabled by Okia be expunged from the court records, saying they had been obtained illegally. Lenaola also ruled that the procurement of SGR did not contravene the Constitution. But a bench of 3 judges, Lady Justice Martha Koome, Justice Gatembe Kairu and Lady Justice Jamila Mohammed, has now overturned that ruling. The bench says the procurement was illegal while upholding the earlier ruling that the documents relied upon were illegally obtained, hence needed to be expunged. The Court of Appeal holds that the Kenya Railways Corporation had obligations to comply with the requirements of the Public Procurement and Disposal Act, since it's a government entity not exempted from the provision of that statute. Further, the company contracted to undertake the construction works, China Road and Bridge Corporation, was single-sourced, contrary to the submissions that it was a contractual requirement from the financier. In fact, the court found that CRBC was engaged way before the financial agreement was entered into. The bench, however, acknowledges that the ruling may have no consequences since the construction of the railway line is complete. This judgment, however, offers no real orders to some reliefs sought by the petitioners, who had wanted the train stopped before its track was constructed. Okia and Gisebe termed it scandalous violation of both the Constitution and the statutes in the manner the project was procured and implemented. Details of the contract the government entered into with the China Road and Bridge construction have still been kept highly secretive, despite a promise by President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2018 to make it public. Ken Mijungu, NTV.